and welcome to Poppy's Workshop. And today we are going to be pickling the butterfly garden clock. So here is the finished piece, or cut piece I should say, and sanded. That is the base. There will be a clock insert in there. So if you see my short video, I do show it with the clock. So let me show you some of the things that I use while pickling. The first thing that I use, of course, after the dust off, I use a tack cloth like that and get all the fine dust off. And then, of course, I have to have my, as my daughters call these, the butt inspection gloves. Yeah, now they're 30 years old, but we've got to use the gloves. I do have a wiping rag that we can use to wipe off the excess, and of course a nice soft bristle brush to get everything in. So with that, let's take a look at what I do have. I'm using the Old Masters gel stain. So this is the Pickling White. So let me get that top off that lid. I shook it up some, and we'll see how this goes. I forgot whether this was more of a liquid than a gel. So that'll change the way that I do things. When I do the, yep, it's a gel. I forgot what it was, that's terrible of me. When I do the linseed oil, I basically pour it. Let me do this. Let me get stuff out of here. I basically pour it in this tin. Ooh, this is going to be, gotta keep this in a dust-free area. So, let's see. Here we go. Okay, so I usually keep this, I'm distracted. I usually pour in there and do all those groovy things. I'm not going to be able to do that. This is going to be a total brush on and wipe off. So, and I'm going to have to get it in all the crooks and nannies. Whereas when I do the linseed oil, it just flows. That's what I was hoping. So this is going to be a little bit different. What I may wind up doing is just putting this on thick and then doing another sanding to kind of take a little bit off, because I do want to have a bit of a rustic look to it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. So this is going to be kind of boring if I run the whole video this way. Of course, I do have some mineral spirits to clean off the brush. I tried using foam brushes before, but they really don't do a very good job. Especially they start to fall apart pretty quickly. So hopefully with this soft hair, I'll be able to get in all the cuts. So as you can see, there's a lot of inside cuts on this. There was well over 100. So yeah, this was, how do I put it? It was actually easy in terms of cutting it out, but, oh, I forgot about that. I'm wearing gloves, what do I care? It was actually easy to cut out, but of course a bit tedious because of the sheer number of internal cuts. Alright, yeah, this isn't working the way I had hoped. This is going to take a while, so what I'm going to do, let me do a wipe off, and you can see what it will look like. And we'll just make this a very short video. So when this all gets wiped off, boy, this is a gel. Ooh. it's rather antique-y in a way. And what I may wind up doing is using the high pressure hose to blow all this through. The problem is I may stir up some dust when I do that. So there you go. I gotta have a clean finger here to be able to manipulate the computer. Yeah, so that's kind of what it's gonna look like finished. So there you go. May the Lord richly bless you. Make it a great day right here at Pickling Workshop.